klaar voor? Ja? Nee? Heel goed. De batterij van de gitaarversterker is leeg. Hoi!
He was kinda hicky, spent most of his days just dreaming of the city. Well, then one day he bought a guitar. He moved to Hollywood to become a star. Well, living on the farm, he knew nothing of the city. Built his house out of straw, what a pity. Then one day he was jamming on some chords. Along came the wolf, knocking on his door. He said, little pig, let me in. Little pig, let me in. Well, I'm huffing, I'm puffing, I'll blow your house in. Huffing, puffing, I'll blow your house in. Huffing, puffing, I'll blow your house in. Well, the second little piggy, he was kinda dope. He spent most of his days just a ganja smoking. Huffing and a puffing down on Venice Beach. Getting paid money for religious speech. Built his house from a garbage pit, mostly made up of old cans and sticks. Then one day he was cranking up a Marley. Along came the wolf on his big fat Harley. Said, little pig, let me in. Well, little pig, let me in. Well, I'm huffing, I'm puffing, I'll blow your house in. Huffing, puffing, I'll blow your house in. Huffing, puffing, I'll blow your house in. Well, the third little piggy was a grade A student. His daddy was a rock star named Big Nugent. Earned his master's degree from Harvard College. Built his house from his architect knowledge. A tri-level mansion, Hollywood Hills. Daddy's rock stardom paid for the bills. Then one day came the old house slasher, the big bad wolf, the little piggy slasher. Said, little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Well, little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Well, I'm huffing, I'm puffing, I'll blow your house in. Huffing, I'm puffing, I'll blow your house in. Huffing, puffing, I'll blow your house in.
Welkom, welkom bij de Beginners. Welkom, welkom
I'll blow your house in.
Welkom, welkom bij de Beginners. For myself,
I'll blow your house in.
welkom, welkom bij de Beginners. Welkom, welkom
I'll blow your house in.
welkom, welkom bij de Beginners. For myself,
Well, the big bad wolf, well, he huffed and he puffed all that he could. And lo and behold, the little piggy's house stood. It's made out of concrete. The little piggy shouted, the wolf just growled as he pouted. So they called 911 like any piggy would. They sent out Rambo just as fast as they could. Yo, Wolfface, I'm your worst nightmare. Your ass is mine. Chip.
shirt voor jezelf. Voor 3 kleine biggies.